Hey, I just had a conversation with Sarah, one of our catch-ups we do a couple of times a month, just one-on-one with Sarah. And she started the conversation and said, hey, can we talk about leads? I want more leads. And really cool conversation. And what triggered for me in that conversation was that so many people are after more leads, but they're all, where do I go hunting? How do I get them? How do I get them? How do I get them? And looking for hard solutions to what can be quite simple. Half an hour conversation with Sarah, we found some really low-hanging fruit that is super simple, set it up a quick system, and she's now really happy. So I just want to share you a bit of information that could help you instead of being stuck in lead gen and creating complicated systems. Just make it super easy for you. Won't take up much of your time. This is really quick because I like quick and simple. So Sarah runs a great business, and in the chat anyway, I said, okay, so where do you track your leads? A bit here, a bit there, a bit there. So we said, no problem. Let's do this. She uses Trello. You could use Asana, Google Doc, whatever you like. But we set up a board that has lead in, the steps of her sales process to hard yes, hard no, not sure, all the way through. So it means she can see her conversions, she can see who hasn't gone ahead, which can be in her follow-up for down the track. But set that up, first step. So for you, you're after more leads. Manage the ones you've got really well by knowing exactly who they are and at what stage of your pipeline they are. Number two is she's got heaps of leads. So one of them is conversations she's started over the last 12 months that have gone nowhere. Digging through her emails, her LinkedIn, anything else she's got going on, and just came up with a list of 20, 30, 40 straight away. So existing conversations that have gone nowhere, re-engage them, get them back in. Happy New Year, well done. Just wanted to reconnect with you in 2024. You keen for a catch-up. So one, people that are in conversation that have gone nowhere. And the conversations could be 10 months old. Number two is current clients. If you haven't asked them for an introduction for a little while, get on it. If you've got 20 clients and you ask them all, hey, are you enjoying what I'm doing? Hey, do you know anyone that could benefit from what I'm doing for you? Electrical, plumbing, whatever it is. Would you mind introducing me to them? Out of 20 people, you probably get 1 or 2 new clients. Happy days. So that's number two. It's number 2 in the lead gen tactics. It's number 3 in the steps I'm giving you. What was number 4? Was collaborators. Those people that you have your clients before you. And I was just talking to Mikhail earlier this morning, and he's got one collaborator who's given him a couple of opportunities every month. Like, let's get 5 of those. Let's make it 15 opportunities every month. And he's like, oh, of course, bang, bang, bang. So collaborators, there are going to be people out there that have your clients. Build a list of of what industries they're in, then then below each of those industries, come up with 10 names, 10 businesses, 10 people that are in that industry, and then start reaching out to them. So 4 simple things that you can do right now that are free to help get leads. 1, create a process to see where your leads are so you can manage them properly. 2, continue conversations with all those people you've been in conversation with over the last 12 to 18 months. 3, ask your clients to introduce you. 4, collaborators, get amongst them. They could be some real easy wins for you. Hope that's been helpful. I'll see you when I next see you. But let me know if you got any lead questions, and I'd love to help you.